Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to study a topic in biology known as kidney. Kidney is one of the organs in the body that helps us to survive. We are going to study this kidney with questions and answers for a better understanding. The first question we have here says, the process whereby the kidney regulates the balance between water and salt in the body is best described as dash. A. Osmoregulation. B. Plasmolysis. C. Hemolysis. D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is A. Osmoregulation. So osmoregulation is the process used by the kidney in regulating balance between water and salt in the body fluids. The next question says, the branch of science that deals with the study of kidney is called dash. A. Pathology. B. Nephrology. C. Neurology. D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is B. Nephrology. So nephrology is that branch of science that deals with the study of kidney, the functions of kidney, diseases that affect kidney, and the solutions to those diseases or problems affecting kidney. So those scientists that specialized in this field known as nephrology are called nephrologists. Nephrology is an important part of medicine. The next question says, the following are functions of the kidney except dash. A. Maintenance of salt and water balance. B. Excretion. C. Photosynthesis. D. Maintenance of acid-base balance. In this question, the correct answer is C. Photosynthesis. Other options we have here are functions of the kidney. So the kidney helps in maintenance of salt and water balance. The kidney also play a excretory role in the body. The kidney also keep the acid and the base in the body constant. It maintains a balance between the acid and base in the body fluids. The next question says, which of the following is associated with kidney? A. Nephron. B. Neuron. C. All of the above. D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is A. Nephron. So nephron is a structure in the kidney that helps in urine formation. It's the active or the functional unit of the kidney. The next question says, the following are kidney disorders except dash. A. Nephritis. B. Diuresis. C. Dropsy. D. Hepatitis. In this question, the correct answer is D. Hepatitis. So hepatitis is a liver disease. It's not a kidney disease or disorder. But nephritis, diuresis, dropsy are kidney disorders or diseases. The next question says, the inability of the kidney to metabolize the acids in the body fluid leads to dash. A. Acidosis. B. Hepatitis. C. All of the above. D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is A. Acidosis. Acidosis is a condition whereby the acid level in the blood becomes high. When the acid level becomes high, above normal, it can create a lot of problems in the body system. So the job of one of the functions of the kidney is to regulate the acid in the blood and also to regulate the base in the blood. But when an individual is suffering from this acidosis, there will be a great stress for the kidney in metabolizing the acid in the body. So it is the inability of the kidney to metabolize the acid level in the body that brings this issue known as acidosis. The next question says, the functional unit of the kidney responsible for blood filtration and urine formation is best described as dash. A. Nephron. B. Neuron. C. Renal artery. D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is A. Nephron. So this nephron is a structure found in the kidney, and this structure is regarded as the functional unit of the kidney because it is responsible for blood filtration, it is responsible for urine formation. So this nephron is the part of the kidney, is a structure in the kidney where urine formation takes place. In one of our videos, we have already treated urine formation there. So this nephron will be well understood in another part or in one of our videos where we have treated a lot of things concerning excretory system. The next question says, a funnel-shaped structure that collects urine from the renal medulla and transports it to the ureter is called dash. A. Renal pelvis. B. Bladder. C. All of the above. D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is A. Renal pelvis. Scientists have discovered that within the kidney, there is a funnel-shaped structure within the kidney that helps in collecting urine from the renal medulla and it transports it to the ureter. That structure is called renal pelvis. The next question says, the inner part of the kidney where urine formation takes place is called dash. A. Renal medulla. B. Renal artery. C. Renal vein. D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is A. Renal medulla. So this renal medulla is the inner part of the kidney where urine formation takes place. Nephrologists have studied kidney and discovered that there is a part of the kidney where urine formation takes place. This part is best described as renal medulla. The next question says, the imbalance of antidiuretic hormone leads to dash. A. Diabetes insipidus. B. Diabetes mellitus. C. Cholera. D. Typhoid fever. In this question, the correct answer is A. Diabetes insipidus. There is a hormone known as antidiuretic hormone. What this hormone do is that it helps the renal tubule to reabsorb or absorb useful materials back into the blood during urine formation. So when this hormone is lacking in the body, there will be a problem of reabsorbing useful materials like sugar and other useful materials in the body. So when useful materials such as sugars are not absorbed back into the blood during urine formation, a lot of these sugars will be there in the blood, and one of the functions of the liver is that the liver helps in converting excess sugar to glycogen. But before the liver converts excess sugar to glycogen, the liver gets instruction from a chemical substance or chemical substances called hormones. We have treated hormones in one of our videos very well. So you can also go to one of our videos so that you will learn more about this, about many things concerning hormone. But this particular hormone called antidiuretic hormone helps that renal tubule to absorb back useful materials into the blood. So, but if the thing is lacking or if there is an imbalance of this hormone, it will now make a lot of sugars to accumulate in the blood, and the liver will find it difficult to metabolize them. So before you know what is happening, these sugars will be wasted through urine because they are not absorbed back into the renal tubule. So at the end of the day, it will now result to a sugar metabolic disorder known as diabetes insipidus. But we have already said in one of our videos that diabetes mellitus is caused by lack of a hormone known as insulin. But this particular diabetes insipidus is caused by imbalance or lack of antidiuretic hormone. This is a type of diabetes that affects people. The next question says, the scientific process of replacing a diseased kidney with a healthy one in someone with diseased kidney is called dash. A. Kidney transplantation. B. Excretion. C. Digestion. D. Diuresis. In this question, the correct answer is A. Kidney transplantation. So kidney transplantation is the scientific process of replacing a diseased kidney with a healthy one in someone with kidney disease or kidney failure. There are people that their kidneys are not functioning very well. So scientists will recommend this transplantation so that they can be able to survive, because kidney plays a great role in excretion of nitrogenous waste. So if anything goes wrong in the kidney, a lot of waste will, especially nitrogenous waste, will deal with many cells in the body, because this kidney helps to remove them out of the body so that they will not harm the body. So when an individual is having a severe kidney problem, a nephrologist will recommend this kidney transplantation so that individual suffering from a kidney problem or disorder will now receive a healthy kidney from a donor, so that the person, or so that person will survive that condition. The next question says, freshwater animals solve the problem of excessive intake of water by dash salt through urine, thereby maintaining a normal salt and water balance. A. Excreting. B. Absorbing. C. All of the above. D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is A. Excreting salt through urine, thereby maintaining a normal salt and water balance. So studies have shown that there are organisms that live in freshwater. We call them freshwater organisms. There are living things that live in water, and they are called freshwater organisms. So those animals that live in freshwater solve the problem of excessive intake of water by excreting salt through urine, because water go into their cells, water go into their body and when excess water gets into their body, such thing can create an imbalance between the water in the cell and the environment. So their body system, especially the kidney as an organ, maintains a balance of salt and water in the body of these organisms by excreting salts through urine. If this is the first time you are watching our video, if this is the first time you are joining this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel so that you can study other topics where we have treated them in different videos we have released in this channel. So you can also drop comments so that we will attend to that.